Hello, I'm going to be answering Waec 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 54 under Test of Orals, Section 7. The instruction is from the words lettered A to D. Choose the word that contains the sound represented by the given phonetic symbol. The given phonetic symbol is E, long sound E. Option A, attribute. B, wonder. C, surrender. D, authentic. So I will transcribe each of the given options and then we will pick out our answer. So attribute is transcribed as so this is attribute, this is attribute, this is short E, and then you have wonder, which is option B, and it is transcribed this way. Option C is surrender. Surrender. This is surrender, this is R sound, and this is consonant sound. And then option D is authentic. Authentic. Transcribed this way. We have long O sound. Authentic. Authentic. So we can see that authentic, which is option D, contains the same sound as is given to us. So the correct answer is D, authentic. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.